Modern has been at the forefront of renovation window projects for decades. Whether you have older aluminum or wood windows, our vinyl renovation windows provide great value, they're energy efficient, and one of the best parts, they're installed without having to cut into your home's building envelope. Many homes in coastal British Columbia have aluminum windows that are now at the end of their useful life. A renovation window, also known as a flange or rebate window, is a great option to improve energy efficiency and to upgrade the aesthetics of your home. Our installers begin by removing the glass and internal framework from your old windows. Once the glass and interior are removed and the framing is cleaned up, our installers apply caulking around the exterior frame to give the renovation window a seal between the existing frame and the new vinyl window. Renovation windows piggyback the existing outer frame of your window, meaning that your existing frame is kept in place and the siding of your house around your window isn't cut into or disturbed. With caulking now in place, our team places the renovation window carefully into the existing frame. Our sales team takes measurements of your existing window frames to ensure a perfect fit. The new windows are then attached to your house with screws via the interior window framing. Expanding foam is then applied to the window gaps to prevent drafts and maintain energy efficiency, in preparation for the window finishing. Our installers measure and cut the trim to finish the interior look of the window. This closes any gaps and also adds a barrier to prevent drafts. Foam tape secures the trim to the window, and cosmetic caulking reduces the visibility of seams to the new installation. And voila! Old aluminum windows that are drafty and filled with condensation have been replaced by energy-efficient, brand new vinyl windows. You'll notice that these clients opted for a similar configuration to the old window, 2 panels of glass with a slider on one side. The results look amazing and improve the value of your home. At Modern, we have the know-how to make your renovation window project a success. Talk to our sales team today to discuss options for your home. We'd be more than happy to stop by and give you a quote for your next project.